Electric cars are changing how we think about driving. They're quiet, quick, and don't rely on gas stations. But even with all the growth in the EV world, there's still a lot of confusion out there. Some people still think electric cars can't go far. Others think they're slow, expensive, or not practical in the real world. A lot of these ideas are leftovers from the early days of electric vehicles, and some of them just aren't true anymore. In this video, we're going to clear up 7 of the most common myths people still believe about electric cars. If you've ever been on the fence about switching to an EV, this might change your mind. 7. Electric cars don't have enough range to be practical. This is probably the most common myth out there. People think electric cars can't go the distance, especially on long trips. And that fear comes from a time when early EVs really didn't have great range. But today, things are very different. Take the Tesla Model 3 long range as an example. It gets over 350 miles on a single charge. That's more than enough for a full day of highway driving. Even more affordable models like the Hyundai Ioniq 5 offer around 300 miles of range. The Ford Mustang Mach-E, around 310 miles depending on the trim. These are numbers that match or even beat many gas-powered cars between fuel stops. And when you think about it, most people don't even drive that far each day. The average daily drive in the US is under 40 miles. That means for most drivers, you could go several days without needing to charge at all. Charging overnight at home is like waking up every day with a full tank. Once you get used to it, you might never want to visit a gas station again. 6. Charging takes way too long. Another big worry people have is about charging time. Nobody wants to sit around for hours just to get their car going again. But this fear is also based on outdated ideas. Yes, charging an EV with a regular wall plug, level 1, is slow. That's true. But most EV owners install a level 2 charger at home. That setup can give you 20 to 30 miles of range per hour, so overnight you're fully charged. And for road trips, fast charging has gotten much better. The Kia EV6 can go from 10% to 80% battery in just 18 minutes using a DC fast charger. That's about the time it takes to grab a snack or stretch your legs. Tesla's supercharger network is even faster, and they're expanding access to non-Tesla EVs too. So the idea that you'll be stuck for hours every time you need a charge is just not true anymore. 5. Electric cars are way too expensive. It's easy to assume electric cars are only for wealthy people. Tesla kind of helped create that image early on. But now, there are more affordable options than ever before. Let's look at the Chevrolet Bolt EV. Its starting price is under $27,000. That's before tax incentives. If you qualify for the federal EV tax credit, you could save up to $7,500. The Nissan Leaf, which has been around for over a decade, starts at around $28,000. The Hyundai Kona Electric is another great option that gives solid range at a competitive price. And here's something people often miss. EVs are usually cheaper to run. No oil changes, fewer parts to break down. Electricity is cheaper than gas in most areas. Over time, those savings really add up. A car that costs a bit more upfront might end up saving you thousands over its lifetime. 4. EV batteries don't last long and are super expensive to replace. This one keeps a lot of people from buying electric cars. They hear stories about battery replacements costing $10,000 or more and assume that it's just not worth the risk. But let's look at the facts. Most EV manufacturers offer warranties on their batteries that last 8 years or 100,000 miles. Tesla, Hyundai, Ford, and others all offer similar coverage. And the truth is, EV batteries are holding up really well in the real world. A study by Recurrent, a battery health company, showed that most EV batteries retain over 90% of their capacity after 100,000 miles. That means most owners will never need to replace their battery at all. Even older models like the 2013 Nissan Leaf still have thousands of them on the road, working just fine. And as battery tech improves, so does their lifespan. We're seeing new battery chemistries like LFP, lithium iron phosphate, used in some Tesla models that last even longer and are more stable. So the fear of battery death might be more myth than reality. 3. Electric cars aren't really that green. You've probably heard someone say, yeah, but if the electricity comes from coal, aren't EVs just as bad as gas cars? It's a fair question, but the data doesn't back up that concern. First, electric cars are more efficient. Even if the electricity comes from fossil fuels, EVs still use that energy more efficiently than combustion engines. And as the grid gets cleaner, so does your car. In places with cleaner energy, like California or parts of Europe, the emissions from driving an EV can be close to zero. Even in states where coal is still part of the mix, electric cars still produce less lifetime carbon emissions than gasoline vehicles. A report from the Union of Concerned Scientists showed that even in the worst-case scenario, an EV was cleaner than the average gas car. Plus, EVs have no tailpipe emissions. That means cleaner air in cities and fewer health problems linked to pollution. So yes, they are greener, especially over time. 2. There aren't enough places to charge. This used to be a real problem. Back in the early 2010s, public chargers were rare and range anxiety was real. But today, things are changing fast. Tesla has built over 50,000 superchargers globally. Other networks like Electrify America, EVgo, and ChargePoint are growing every year. In the US alone, there are now over 160,000 public charging stations. And with the new EV push from the government, more are coming soon. Apps like PlugShare and a better route planner let you find chargers easily and even plan your entire trip. And if you're charging mostly at home, you'll only really need public chargers for long trips anyway. EV drivers usually say the fear of charging goes away once they experience how simple it actually is. Number 1. Electric cars are slow and boring to drive. This one couldn't be further from the truth. If you've ever driven an EV, you probably noticed something right away. They're fast. Not just fast for an electric car, but really fast. The Tesla Model S Plaid can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. That's quicker than a Lamborghini or a Ferrari. Even the more affordable Hyundai Ioniq 5 or Chevy Bolt can give you a smooth, instant burst of speed. That's because electric motors deliver full torque instantly. And it's not just about speed. EVs are quiet, balanced, and often more fun to drive because of their low center of gravity. The batteries sit under the floor, which keeps the car stable through turns. It's a different driving experience, smooth, quiet, and powerful. A lot of people who try EVs say they never want to go back. The performance, the silence, and the tech features make traditional cars feel old-fashioned by comparison. So there you have it, 7 of the most common electric car myths that just aren't true anymore. From range anxiety to charging speed, price, and performance, electric cars have come a long way. And as technology keeps getting better, they're only going to get more practical and more fun to own. If you learned something new today, give this video a like. Share it with someone who still believes one of these myths. And if you enjoy this kind of content, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.